Yes, come in.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Have a seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, what's your name?
Sir, my name is Anurag Singh.
Anurag Singh. And what's your name?
So my name is Krishna Grahari.
Krishna Grahari. So your names are Anurag and Krishna.
Yes.
Yes,
Okay. Anurag, your code is 12A and Krishna, your code is 12B. Okay.
Okay.
Now, Anurag, please tell me something about yourself.
Sir, my name is Anurag Singh. I
Yeah.
study in class 12th A.
Yeah.
My father name is Mr. Sasi Bhushan Singh. He is a
Yes.
farmer. And my mother name is Mrs. Mamta Singh. She is housewife.
Yeah.
And my hobbies is reading books. Yes, sir.
Okay. And what's your aim?
Sir, my aim to become a software engineer.
Okay. And what's your favorite color?
Sir, my favorite color is red.
Okay. Very nice. And now, Krishna,
Yes.
you are going to tell us about yourself. Introduce
So
yourself.
my name is Krishna Grahari and I study in class 12th A. My father name is Mr. Ravin Kumar Agrari, who is a businessman by profession, and my mother name is Miss Kiran Agrari, who is a housewife by profession. And I
Okay.
love to play games and reading books. And also my address is Saraikil Kosambi.
Okay. Krishna, can you tell me what's your aim of life?
So my aim is to become an airman officer.
Okay. And can you tell me any historical place of your district?
So the historical place of my district is Phawose, which is in Kosambi district.
Okay. Prabhasgiri.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now we are going to our next task, that is the topic presentation.
Yes.
So at first Anurag is going to tell us about his topic. When Anurag will finish his topic, Krishna, you will ask some questions, and also I will ask some more questions. So are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
So would you like to begin your topic?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, my topic is tourism in India.
Tourism in India.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
In India is varied landscape with the help of tourism industry to circulate money within a country and
Yeah.
earn money for foreign tourism. Our country is naturally and culturally endowed in lots of beauty and attractive places which can fascinate the people for all over the world. Our country is the one of the richest country having heritage, historical movement, beaches, religious places, hill station, etc., which can attract the tourism for all corner of the world. Now, tourism in any country play a great role for their development as well as growth of any country. In India, tourism is the second large earning source, and it also provide employment for people for both category which are skilled or unskilled people.
Yeah. Okay. Would you like to ask questions?
Yes, sir,
Krishna?
of course. Anurag, can you tell which state is most visited in India?
In survey of 2020, the Tamil Nadu is the most visited state, where 140 million tourists are visited.
Anurag, can you tell me the best tourist place
Sir,
in India?
I think in India the best tourist place is Jammu Kashmir, and he is heaven of earth in India.
It is
Heaven of earth.
very nice. Now this is your turn, Krishna. You are going to tell us about your topic. When Krishna will finish his topic,
Yes,
Anurag, you will ask some questions. So are you ready for that?
Yes, sir.
So let's begin your topic.
So I am here to share my views about the sports and games.
Sports and games.
Games.
Okay.
Sports play a major role in our human body.
Yeah.
Sports gives us physical strength, whereas games increases our mental power. Sports such as cricket, football, volleyball, etc. and so on makes our body physically fit, and whereas mental power can be increases by games such as cricket, football, ludo, chess, whereas make our body mentally strong. Sports such as gives our body make healthy, and our body is making strong, active at all time. Some researchers find out that those students who play games and sports, they also do good in her life or his life. Sports and from my point of view, sports and games provide us a physical fitness which is good for our health, and also I want to tell health is wealth, and last I tell that healthy mind lives in healthy body.
Okay. Now Anurag, would you like to ask questions?
Yes, sir. Krishna, tell me advantage of and disadvantage of sports and game.
The main advantage of the sports and game is to provide our make our body healthy, which is very good for our health. And the main disadvantage of the sports and games, if we play more at sports and games, then this harm our study.
Okay, Krishna, what's your favorite game?
So my favorite game is cricket.
Cricket. Means, do you like to play cricket?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very nice. Let's move our next task, that is a problem solving task.
Yes, yes.
In this task, I am going to provide you a card.
Yes, sir.
That is in that card there is information about a problem. So both of you discuss about the problem and after that give your opinions. So let's take it.
Your friend is good at English, history, and geography. However, his parents feel he should continue to pursue science and become a doctor. Even though he is not very good at science, discuss with your partner. Anurag, I want to tell that he firstly tell her parents about the various career opportunities about in by taking English, history, science. They do not force to take part in science because his interest is not in science. They do good in English, history. But by my point of view, he would take art by as subject.
And he can also ask his teacher to advise him and
Or his parents. His or her parents.
His or
To
her
conjugate.
parents conjugate and he convey his parent from teacher
By taking
by,
decision.
by taking decision for their interest.
As a friend,
Yes, sir.
what will you do?
So as a friend, I would go her or his home and talk to her parents about he will do good in English.
He's doing very well
Well
in
in
these subjects.
subject, English.
So don't force him.
Yes.
Okay.
And
For their interest.
by second questions, what career option he could pursue?
He can graduate with taking a BA in English and history, and after completing graduation, he apply for IS lines or professor for English and history.
And also, I want he
There are so many career
Yes,
career
options
opportunities
in
just
this
like
field.
speaker, motivational speaker, reader, poet, and so on.
Okay. Thank you very much. You have done your task very well.
Thank
now
you,
you
sir.
may go now.
Yes, thank you, sir.